North Bengal has some spectacular destinations worth visiting. From the banks of the Ganges to the foothills of the mountain ranges that are the frontiers of the eastern Himalaya, these destinations capture the imagination of all those who come visiting. In last winter, I decided to visit the region of pine forests of North Bengal. Lamahatta, yes, that's the name, is a favorite destination by many. Located 23 kilometers from Darjeeling or 73 kilometers from Siliguri, I decided to drive down the scenic Sivok Road to reach the region around Lamahatta. The Teesta River, 315 kilometers long, rising in the eastern Himalaya, travels all along the national highway as one travels further into North Bengal. I wanted to stay in the company of pine forests and deciduous trees, hence chose one of the many local homestays in the villages in and around Lamahatta. I chose the village of Chota Magwa, nestled on the forested slopes. Each morning, I would explore the various trails and narrow roads, visiting the nearby villages and settlements. The evenings among the orange orchards, watching the sun go down, was a moment worth looking forward to in each day. The region in and around Lamahatta includes small villages with amazing names like Tagta, Tenchule, 7th Mile, Lopchu Bazaar, Teesta Bazaar, and many more like these. Crossing these villages, sampling the local no-frills cuisine, and basking in the knowledge that I was lucky to have been able to travel to places like these filled my moments with a sense of deep satisfaction. The truck, my favorite companion, found itself on paths that encourage some real hill driving. The sense of happiness to find a world so different from city life had a huge positive impact on me. I found myself light-hearted, happy to click photos, fly the drone, and observe a whole different world from a viewpoint that I had not seen or experienced in the city. The tall pines were a world in itself as I walked through them. A world away from the present-day ecosystem that I am a part of. It was like I had stepped into a secluded, hidden world where the sounds of present everyday life were muted and senses awake to see, touch, feel, smell, and look. The holiday was perfect, though unplanned and sudden. However, the simple activities of exploring the multiple tea gardens, forests, villages, driving through narrow paths made it worth the entire effort. Lamahatta, you will always be remembered and cherished.